Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Faisal Bari. I studied at Telkom University and majored in Information System. I'm in here want to explain about management of community information group application web based. The first topic, community information group, is preliminary. The second topic is literature review, and the last topic is implementation. The first topic, preliminary, there is a background, goals, method of work. Community information group background is increasing openness to obtain information. Important a lot the demands of globalization at this time, so that the passing of law number 14 of 2008, openness 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 public information and effectively novel at took effect in April 2010. Next, purpose community information group. The first, government get information from the public by providing the community information group account management feature. The second, the public gets information from the government by providing the news feature. And the last, the government can make community information group reports. Next, method of work. Requirement definition. Requirement definition. We will use activity A, observation to user, B, interview with user, and C, distribute questionnaire to user. Number two, system and software. System and software, we will use model or design is A, unified modeling language, B, entity relationship diagram, and C, mockup. And the third, implementation and unit testing. Implementation and unit testing activity done to ensure that functionally are ready translated into software. Number four, integration and system testing. After all functional is confirmed, if the section is the method used is the black box method, testing will be used to each unit functionally generate at the programming and user acceptance test. Number five, operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance is the activity carried out in the section or installation process and hosting process. Next, the second topic, literature review. There is a programs, community information group, definition, community information group, and BPMN. Community information group program, the legal basis for the formation of the information group public. The first, according to PP number 38 years 2007 about division of government affairs between government, provincial government, and district or city government. Second, according to regulation of the Minister of Communication and Republic Indonesia Informatics. No. 17 of 2009 about this dissemination of national information by government, provincial government, and regency or the city government. The 7th March 2009. The third, according to regulation of the Minister of Communication and Republic Indonesia Informatics number 8 slash peer slash mmcominfo 6 2010 about guidelines for development and empowerment social communication institute June number 1 2010. Community information group is a group of information community focused to have ability and use of information for survival and growth. Public information shared with community from community information is required by community members to make effective use the resource to power available around them. And business process modeling notation, or BPMN. Business process modeling is a diagram representing a sequence of activity imperfectly focused on a process, action, and activities job. Mm, mm, Research described to the business process modeling show how they will be processed. The last topic is implementation. In this implementation, we're talking about mockup application. In the mockup application is a account register page has been added by admin of the data list. In the table are username ID, username, password, and photo labels and links. The dashboard page is a dashboard image page for admin where the dashboard contains of information for admin. The information show there is a total coordinator information, published news, unpublished news, total coordinator community information group, and graphic of sub-district community information group. Add news page for admin, where admin enter the title news, upload date, upload photo, and new content and status. And the button submit to add data that has been input. Admin news list page. Admin can see incoming news and can be edit and delete news. Data list, namely news ID, news content, news headlines, and news image link. News edit page for admin, where admin can change the content of the table in the news list. The information can change news ID, news title, news status, and news date. Add page community information group. Page add community information group to admin, where admin fills in the data list on a form consisting of letter numbers. Proof of letters, sub-district, village, about, chairman, secretary, treasurer, field of information gathering, field information management, and the last, the field of information dissemination and status. List page community information group has been registered by Discominfo and the community information group coordinator for the data list. In the list table, community information group is the community information group ID, decision letter number, link proof of letter, date, district, village, and status. Suggestion. The suggestion for this final project are as following. The first, the application has not been able to provide features required member. The second, absence for super admin actor. And the last, chat features not yet available. And we have a conclusion of community information group. The first, this community information group management web application can manage administration, which can display registered community information group data. The second, the community information group management application can input news from either the government or the public. And the third, the community information group management application can see the news that has been input with a published status. The fourth, the community information group management application can add accounts from admin actors and can display register account data. And the last, the community information group management application can add announcement. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry for my mistake words. That's all for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.